Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, folks, right, we joined again with Aaminah for a weekly lesson. We're on the chapter of percentages, we're on the last part of the chapter on percentages. We're looking at ordering, fractions, decimals, and percentages today. So, right, Aaminah, can you pass me the sheet? Right. Let's start off. Okay, so here we have three items in this question. We have a fraction, percentage, and a decimal. In order for us to compare them, we need to convert them all into one type of number. So, Aaminah, what should we change them all into? Change them all into percentage. So, change all values into percentage and then compare. Okay, right, here we go. So, Aaminah, what is the technique for changing a half into a percentage? Half into a percentage, the easiest way is make equivalent to hundreds. So what do we times 2 by to give you hundreds? You do to the bottom, you do to the top. So 50 out of 100 will give us an answer of 50%. 60%, you don't need to change that percentage, already is a percentage. Yeah? Next one. We have this number here. 0.4095. We've got to change that into a percentage. Okay. How do we change a decimal into a percentage? We hundreds, that's what we do in the last couple of lessons. There's no point. Move on. 2 places. Copy the number down underneath. Okay, so the number reads 040.95. What's the final answer for that? Correct. Okay, so now we have converted this fraction into percentage and this decimal into percentage. So let's write it in red at the top, in small. Okay, what we need to do now, we need to number them. I'll tell you which one's smallest and biggest. So we have 50%, 60%, 40.95%. Which is smallest? Okay. 1. Which is the next one? After 40.95%, which is the next biggest value? Okay. And that's the middle value, and then the largest value is 60%. Now, we're going to put the answer down over here. Now, quick question, Aaminah. What numbers we put down here? The ones in black or the ones in red? The one's in black. These are the original questions given in the question itself, the original values. We do not use the values that we've just generated ourselves, because that's just for our benefit. So we must always use the original values given in the question for the answer. So the smallest value is that's number 1. We do not use this, that's just to help us. The next biggest value is half. We do not use 50%. And the next one is 60%. Okay, what would happen, Aaminah, if you use these other percentage values? Would you get the answer right? No. Because that's not the question. Okay, we happy with that one question? So let's make a little note here. Always use the original values in don't use the values that you've just generated. Okay, that's come up nicely on the video. And now the battery is flashing as well. Okay, let's do one more question and then we're going to give you the questions, yeah? Okay, right, let's get rid of I'm doing another question. Okay, here's the next question. Made this one up. Modified one of the questions from the exercise. Exercise number 9. Okay. The same technique applies. I haven't rubbed off the technique. Change all values into percentage. And then compare. Okay? Let's go for it. So 0.73 should be one of the easier ones. So we say 0.73. To change the decimal into percentage, what do we do, Aaminah? 10 by 100. So 0.73 times by 100, move the decimal place 2 places to the right as the number moves a place value to the left. So that'll give you 0.73%. What do you do with the 0 now? Go to there. Don't need any more. Okay, next one, we have 3/4. We want to change that into percentage. Should we use the equivalent technique? So change it over 100, like that. What do we times the 4 by to give us 100, Aaminah? Times by 25. Times the bottom by 25, times the top by 25. 3 times by 25 is 75 over 100. So the answer here is, okay, the last number here, we don't need to convert it because it already is a percentage. So let's write down in red in brackets what these values are. So this here is 73%. This one here is 75%. And that one already is a percentage. So, right, Aaminah, right, give us the order them now. 73, 75, 71. So which one's smallest? 71. And the next one is 73%, which is that one. And the largest one is 75. Okay, let's put the line back in the bottom. The first value, second and third value. Okay, and what do we have to remember? We must always use the original values in the answer. So the original values of the values in black. So the first one is 71.9% as it is. The second one is 0.73, yeah, the original value, not our value. And the last, the largest number is not 75% but 3/4. Okay, that's the end of today's video on how to order fractions, decimals and percentages. We will be adding another video onto this. It will give you a set of questions to do and a set of answers. And until our next video, we'll see you then inshallah. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you for joining us.